Hello friends, myself Ravi Inania, and today I am here with my Viva topic, that is IOCDI in Java. So today's date, 12th, today's date 14th November 2022. So we will start. So IOC means uh, inversion of control, and DI means dependency injection. So for what purpose we use IOCDI and what is IOCDI, we will talk about in this video. So suppose I will start with an example. Suppose we have class A, and inside class A we create a reference variable or we create a reference variable of another class, that is class B. So we can say class A is dependent on class B. So this is a dependency. So to execute or to perform to create an object of class A, we need to create class B first, or we need to create an object of class B inside that. So we can do that through calling some methods, or calling a constructor of class B inside of class A, or using some predefined methods like getters and setters and like that. So or the one thing, that is we have to create the object of class B, and inside that object, because when we create an object, our constructor will be called, and the data, or we can say variables of class B will be initialized. So in this scenario, the we can say control is already fully dependent on class A or class B. So it is dependent on the object. So to remove that type of dependency, we use IOCDI. So IOC means we can say it helps to remove the dependency, and the DI means it inject the new dependency. So IOC means it works like a container, bin factory container. So inside that it will create objects of some special classes, and it will store in that inside it, as we can say, we call it as a bin factory. It will store the object of every class or every special class which is we can say which is declared with an annotation. So it will already create the object of that class and store in that inside a bin factory. So whenever we need, we will take from it. So there are mainly, we can say, three types through which we can perform it. Dependency is injected. One is constructor dependency. So means, as I already told you, we can create a constructor of the class B inside our class A, and we can inject through it. So the second way is, that is using getters and setters. So we have to create some getters and setters methods inside our class B, and we have to set that we can say we set our data through that getters and setter methods inside our class A. And the last, that is, you can say, auto void or dependency. So means auto void, it is an annotation. For what purpose we use that annotation? Like that we used to inject our dependency. So using auto void or writing annotation of auto void, we can say at the top of our declaring or creating our reference variable, it will automatically bring the object of that particular class and assign it to the reference variable of that class. So this is all about IOCDI. So with this all, I like to stop here, and thank you.